Yes. Hope we can start with our session. Today we are going to discuss about linear equations in two variables. Okay. And the first question is, if 2a minus 3 equal to 5 and 3b plus 1 equal to 2, then find the value of 3b minus 2a. This is a direct question, right? Where certain two linear equations are given and with the two variables are there, I need to find the value of 3b minus 2a. Right? So, what is the given information? First, we can take that. Okay. 2a minus 3 equal to 5. 3b plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, these are the two given information. And I just want 3b and 2a. Right? I just want 3b and 2a. So, from the second equation, I am writing 3b equals 2 minus 1. 3b equals 1. Right? This is from the second equation. Let it be equation 1. Let it be equation 2. So, from the first equation, 2a equals 5 plus 3. 2a equals 8. Right? So, if I want 3b minus 2a, I can directly write it as 1 minus 8. So, 3b minus 2a equal to minus 7. What if we want to find a and b? This is the first part of the equation which we discussed, but what if we need to find a and b individually? Okay, so now we can discuss that. Take the equations 2a minus 3b equal to 5 and 3b equal to such values, right? So from 3 and 2 we got 3b minus 2a. This is the simple one. Any doubts on this one now? Hope it is clear. If it is clear, kindly give thumbs up. Come on. If it is clear, kindly give thumbs up. If it is clear, please register that you are clear, so that we can move to the next question. Okay. The second question. Prove that x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 as well as x equal to 2 and y equal to 5 is the solution of 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. I want to prove that both these ordered pairs, that is both x equal to 1, y equal to 1 and x equal to 2, y equal to 5 is the solution for this equation. First, let me take my equation. 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Right? 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. First, if x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Substitute the value in place of x and y. 4 into x minus y minus 3 equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 minus 3. That is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So, I am getting, right? If I substitute x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, it is a solution. So, 1 comma 1 is the solution of the equation 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, we can take the next ordered pair. If x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. For the same equation, 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Hi, those who join now, come on. Write your name in chat box. Okay. Since x equal to 2, replace this by x value. 4 into 2 minus, what is the value of y? 5 minus 3. What is 4 into 2? That is 8 minus 5 minus 3. That is 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, 2 comma 5 is also the solution. Is the solution of 4x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Is it clear now? Any doubts so far? Those who are having any doubts on this, kindly ping me through live chat. Okay, hope it is clear. Now, the next question. Okay, the next question. 4 men and 6 boys can do a piece of a work in 20 days. It is done by 3 men and 4 boys in 20 days. How long would it take for one man or one boy to do it? Okay, so hello Janvi. Yes, Janvi, we were discussing about linear equations in two variables. This side is Janvi. Yeah, Janvi. How are you? Hello, Janvi. How are you? Sorry for getting late today. It's okay. Okay. So we were discussing about linear equations in two variables. Shall we start solving this problem now? Good. Okay. So let x be the time taken by the man. Okay. Let x be the time taken by man and y be the time taken by boy. Please listen carefully. These are all very good questions that we will get in our board exams. Okay, so try to solve it along with me. Be ready with your note and pen, whatever you want. Okay, x is the time taken by the man and y is the time taken by the boy. Okay, what is there? 1 day's work. Okay, work done by 1 day is 1 by x, right? Work done by the man in 1 day, right, is nothing but 1 by x. Work done by the boy in 1 day, that is 1 by y. Okay dear, so here we have 4 men. 4 times of 1 by x plus 6 times of 1 by y. Together they did for 1 day is 1 by 20. Out of 20 days, I took only for 1 day. Is it clear? Now we can take this. 4 by x plus 6 by y equal to 1 by 20. Let it be equation number 1. It is done by 3 men and 4 boys in 28 days. Right? So, 3 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 28. This is equation number 2. But, do you think our equations are in linear one? Do you think that the given equations are linear? Is it linear? Janvi, is it linear? Whether the equation 1 and 2 are linear? They are not linear because we have our variables in the negative side. It is of a negative base, right? So we need to rewrite it. How I can rewrite it? I can take let a equal to 1 by x and b equal to 1 by y. So 4a plus 6b equal to 1 by 20. Right? I can rewrite it as 4a plus 6b equal to 1 by 20. And the second equation 3a plus 4b equal to 1 by 28. 3a plus 4b equals to 1 by 28. Right? Now we can solve these equations to find x and y. Okay? Now try solving it. We can use elimination method. Right? I'm just writing like this. 4a, let we have a common factor, so I'm taking 2 as a common one here. Two into 2a plus 3b equals to 1 by 20. We can take 20 to the opposite side. So 40 into 2a plus 3b equal to 1. So 80a plus 120b equals to 1. Let it be equation 3. Similarly, 28 times 3, 84. 84a plus 28 times 4, 112. B equals to 1. Now we need to solve these two equations and we should get the value of A and B. Once we get A and B, with the help of A and B, we can find X and Y. Right? So first I'm going to cancel which one? Which one we can cancel? Right? Come on, try solving and get the value of A and B, Janvi. Come on, solve it. 80 and 84. Try solving A. 8, 4 table. And it is 20 and 21. Again 4 table, that is 5, 7, 35 into 16, 19, 20, 21, 5, 3, 5, 6, 0. Right? 560 will be the LCM. 560 divided by 80, 7. 560 divided by 84. This is into 7 and a 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 0. 21, 7 table, 20 and 3. Okay. We can cancel it and then we can remove the variables here, right? Into 80 into 84, if we do, our number will get higher, right? Okay, come on, try solving it. 80 into 4, 320. 84 into 4, 8 5 is 40, 400, 85 into 4, 8 5 is 40, 4 is 32, plus 2 34. Okay, so which we can cancel? Either A or B. Which we can cancel? Okay, we can cancel from here. Instead of taking like this, we can cancel from here. Oh, I am taking eraser. 4a plus 6b equals 1 by 20. 3a plus 4b equals 1 by 28. I am going to cancel a. So this equation into 3 and this equation into 4. Right? 12a plus 18b equals 3 by 20. 12a plus 16b equals 4 by 28. Minus. Cancel. 2b equals 3 by 20 minus 4 by 28, which is nothing but 1 by 7. 4 by 28 is nothing but 1 by 7. So our LCM will be 140 into 7 into 7, 21 into 20 into 20, 20, 1 by 140, 2b equal to 1 by 140, b equal to 1 by 280, right? So 4a plus 6b equals 1 by 20. Substitute b and get the value of a. 4a plus 6 into 1 by 280 equals 1 by 20. 4a plus 3 and 140. Right? 3 by 140 equals 1 by 20. 4a equals 1 by 20 minus 3 by 140. Right? Cancel it. So I'm just erasing here. I'm just erasing this side to solve it. Okay. So 4a equals our LCM into 7. We will get 140. 7 minus 3. 4 by 140. 2 by 70. 1 by 35. A equals 1 by 35. Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Come on, Janvi, waiting for your response. This side. Janvi dear, are you there? Still our problem is not over, I could understand. Come on, dear. Janvi, I am waiting for your response. Yes. Now we got A and B value. Now we need to find X and Y value. We have A value, we have B value. We need to find X and Y. X equal to 1 by A. X equal to 1 divided by, no ma'am, okay, 1 divided by 1 by 35, X equal to 35. Okay dear. X equal to 1 by 8, division of division turns to multiplication. Similarly, Y equals to 1 by B, that is 1 divided by 1 by 280, 280, that is 280. Now we found X and Y. Is it clear now? Janvi dear, is it clear? How we are finding x and y? Is it clear that how we are finding x and y? Okay, hope we can move to the next question. Okay, 5 years hence, father's age will be 3 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, father's age was 7 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. We need to find their present ages. How we can find? From this to 5 years, that is future. So from 5, this to 5 years is hence. Right, and 5 years ago, that is before. We will be subtracting. First we can take, what is the age of father? Let the age of father equals to x, right? And the age of son equal to y. And the age of son equal to y. Okay, now 5 years hence, the age of father will be 3 times his son. So, 5 years hence, 5 years hence, age of father will be 3 times the age of son. Right? Similarly, 5 years ago, 5 years ago, age of father is 7 times as old as son, equal to 7 times y minus 5. Right? Now we can reframe these two equations and then we can solve it. Let it be 1, let it be 2. Okay? X plus 5 equals to 3y plus 15 using distributive property. So, x plus 5 minus 15 equal to 3y. X minus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Let it be equation number 3. Janvi, is it clear? How we are getting equation number 3? Similarly, from 2. From 2. What does our second equation states? X minus 5 equals to 7y minus 35. So, x minus 7y minus 5 plus 35 equal to 0. X minus 7y plus 30 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now, we need to solve equation 1 and 2 to find the value of x and y. That is to find their percentages. Right? So, any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Now, we can solve this equation. X minus 3y equal to 10. X minus 3y equal to 10. This is our third equation. And x minus 7y equal to minus 30. X minus 7y equal to minus 30. This is equation number 4. Come on, Janvi dear. Solve this and give me the answer. Okay. So, we can directly subtract, right? X minus 3y equal to 10, x minus 7y equal to minus 30. Directly eliminating x by changing the sign, x and x get cancelled. 7 minus 3 is 4y. Greater number is plus 7 because we changed the sign of 7, right? So 4y equal to plus 20. Y equal to 20 by 4. Y equal to 5. Right, Janvi? Do you get the same answer? So, substitute y equal to 5 in 3. X minus 3 into 5 equal to 10. X minus 15 equal to 10. X equals 10 plus 15. X equals 25. So, the value of x is 25 and the y is 5. Age of father is 25 and the son is 5. Is it clear? Any doubts so far? Come on, Janvi, I'm waiting for your response. Once you're clear, we can move to the next question. Yes, ma'am. Okay, dear. Now we can start solving the next question. Two planes start from a city A and fly in opposite directions. Okay, one averaging a speed of 40 km per hour greater than the second one. Greater than the second one. If they are 3400 kilometers apart from 5 hours, find the sum of their average speed. Find the sum of their average speed. First, let me take, let the average speed of first plane equals x kilometer per hour and the average speed of second plane is at the same speed but greater than the second one. 40 kilometer greater than the second one. So, x plus 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now they are 3400 kilometer apart from 5 hours. So, distance, right? Distance by first plane in 5 hours. In 1 hour is, we can directly take it as 5 hours. Why we are 9 standard, right? In 5 hours is 5x. Okay. Distance covered by second plane is in the same 5 hours is 5 times x plus 40. 5 times x plus 40, right? Now we are going to solve this. What we know, they are 3400 kilometers apart. So 5x plus 5 times of x plus 40 equals 3400. Is it clear, Janvi? Any doubts so far? Come on, Janvi dear. If you're clear, please give thumbs up. If you're not clear, I will help you out. Janvi dear, are you there? Okay. Now we are going to solve this. 5x plus 5x plus 200 equals 3400. 10x equals 3200, which means x equals 320 kilometer per hour. Right? Now the average speed is the average speed. Average speed is, already we found that it is 320 and the first one exceeds the second one by 40. So 320 plus 40, that is 360 kilometer per hour. This is of a second plane. Is it clear, dear? Okay. Is it clear, dear one? Now the next question. I am 3 times as old as my son. 5 years later, I shall be 2.5 times as old as my son. How old am I and how old my son is? This is the question. Okay. So, I am 3 years as old as my son. So, first we can take their ages, right? Let the age be X and the son's age be Y. Let their age be X. And son's age be Y. Right? So, first equation will be x equal to 3y. So, x equal to 3y. This is our first equation. How? Because he is 3 times old as his son. If son is y, father will be x. Father or mother will be x. Right? Next, 5 years later. So, after 5 years. So, I can write after 5 years, x plus 5, I shall be 2.5 times. 1 by 2 times as old as my son. Right? Now we can reframe it. X plus 5 equals 2 2's 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 times y plus 5. Right? So, x plus 5 equals 5 times y plus 5 by 2. So, 2 into x plus 5 equals 5 into y plus 5. 2x plus 10 equals 5y plus 25. 2x minus 5y equals 25 minus 10. 2x minus 5y equals 50. This is equation number 2. Okay. Instead of this, we can substitute, right? 2 into, we know x equal to 3y. Now we are going to substitute it. 2 into 3y minus 5y equal to 50. 6y minus 5y equal to 50. Y equal to 50. if y is 15, then x equal to 3y, that is 3 times of 15, that is 45 years. Therefore, the age of x is 45 and their son is 15. Is it clear? Any doubts? Come on, if you have any doubts, kindly ping me through live chat. Those who have joined now, kindly give your name in live chat. Come on, dear ones. Any doubts so far? Janvi, are you there? Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Okay, no problem. Now we can discuss the next question. If 2 is added to the numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 10. Okay. And if 3 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, it becomes 4 by 5. Find the fraction. Okay. We need to find the fraction. Right? Where we have certain numerator and denominator and we are performing certain operation. Let the fraction be. Let the fraction be x by y. Okay. If 2 is added to the numerator and denominator, x plus 2 by y plus 2, it becomes 9 by 10. So 10 times of x plus 2 equals 9 times of y plus 2. 10x plus 20 equals 10x plus 20 equals 9y plus 18. 10x minus 9y equals 18 minus 20. 10x minus 9y equals to minus 2. This is equation number 1. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, so x minus 3 by y minus 3 equals 4 by 5. 5 times of x minus 3 equals 4 times of y minus 3. 5x minus 15 equals 4y minus 12. 5x minus 4y equals minus 12 plus 15. So 5x minus 4y equals to 3. This is equation number 2. Now we can solve these equations. First equation 10x minus 9y equal to 2 and second equation 5x minus 4y equal to 3. Right? Now solving 1 and 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Second equation into 2. So 10x minus 9y equal to 2. 10x minus 8y equal to 6. Now, solving minus plus minus. Cancel. Minus 9 plus 8, that is y. Minus 4. So, what is the fraction of the denominator? That is minus 4. Now, to get x, 5x minus 4 into minus 4 equals to 3. 5x plus 16 equals to 3. 5x equals 3 minus 16. 5x equals minus 30. Right? 2 minus 6 minus 4. 5x minus 4y equals minus plus 3. X equals minus 13. Minus 13 by 5. X by y equals minus 13 by 5 divided by y, that is minus 4. Minus 13 by 5 times 1 by 4. That is 13 by 20 is the right answer. Any doubt so far? Is it clear? Any doubts? Janvi, is it clear? Are you there? Is it clear? Now, the next question. The function f of x equal to 35 plus 15x, representing the amount of money in rupees. Okay, Mr. Ramesh earns for working x hours. How much money does Mr. Ramesh earns for working 25 hours? That is the question. Okay, so here we have a function f of x equals 35 plus 15x. Okay, f of x equals 35 plus 15x. This is a function given representing the amount of money in rupees, and x is the working hours. What does x represent? X is the working hours of Mr. Ramesh. Right? And Ramesh works for 25 hours, which means x equals 25. Right? So, f of x equals 35 plus 15 times 25. 25 times 15. 5 5 is 25, remaining 2, 125. 5 ones 5, 3 ones 3, 5, 7, 4. 35 plus 475. 11, 5. 475 plus 35. Right? Sorry, this is 2 ones are 2. 275 plus 35. 1 minute. That is 5 5 is 25, remaining 2, 5 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, 5, 7, 3 plus 35. 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 1, 4. That is 410. If Ramesh works for 25 hours, then the amount of rupee that he will receive as a function is 410. Is it clear? Now, if the point 2p comma p minus 3 lies on the graph of the equation, so this point lies on this equation, what is the value of p that we need to find? Right? 2p comma p minus 3. 2p comma p minus 3. For the equation 3x plus 2y plus 12. 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. What is the value? What is the value of p here? So, this is the ordered pair. 3 times of 2p plus 2 times of p minus 3 plus 12 equal to 0. 6p plus 2p minus 6 plus 12 equal to 0. 6p plus 2p plus 6 equal to 0. 8p plus 6 equal to 0. 8p equal to minus 6. P equal to minus 6 by 8 equals minus 3 by 4. So what is the value of p? If this is the solution set for this equation, then our p value is minus 3 by 4. Is it clear? Any doubts so far? Any doubts of what we discussed so far? So those who are having any doubts, please ask now. Come on. Any doubts? Once we get the solution set, we are just substituting in place of x and y with respect to ordered pairs. We used to say this as ordered pairs, right? Then substituting this, we will get our p value. Fine. So hope it is clear. So that's it about today's session. So meet you all in the next session. Take care.